Welcome guys to my mukbang as sushi is time. So welcome to my mukbang. So we're gonna start eating this whatever this thing is. Eat like a big rack. Oh my god. Look how fat I'm getting. Oh my god. I'm just kidding, I'm not too fat. Oh my god. So let's eat this. And I'm also eating tacos right now, if you're wondering. Wow. I think this is kimchi. I don't know if it is. Okay, let's keep eating. Just keep eating. Keep eating, keep eating. Okay. Yeah. Eating these, okay. Eating this. Whatever this thing is, I think it's dumplings, but they're not dumplings. Okay. There's sushi and grilled cheese. Oh my god. And we have watermelon. This is watermelon. Don't think it's meat. It's not meat. It's watermelon. Okay. Keep eating. Don't give up. After this, I'm gonna place more plates. Actually. Okay. Oh my god, I have one more small piece. Like, seriously, I have one more. Okay. Okay, we have these. Oh wait. I have something disgusting in my mouth. Okay. Oh my. Okay. 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 Let's eat French fries. French fries. Okay. Keep eating. Oh my god, what's this? Is this sushi corn? Oh my god. Oh my god, let me eat. Oh my, okay, there we go. Okay, let's eat. Yeah. Have mango with it. I had this. Guys, I'm too bored. So bye-bye. Bye, guys. Oh my god, because I'm too bored. Bye.